Hello and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut Explore Air 2 to etch on metal, expanding the uses for your new machine. It's a simple modification anyone can do. We'll switch out the normal cutting blade for an etching tool like this one, and we will explain the whole process. We have also listed everything in the description down below. With etching, you can create custom keychains, dog tags, and so much more. Modification. Now I know what you're thinking. The Air 2 doesn't have an etching mode or an etching tool. But don't worry, we're going to trick the machine into thinking it's cutting vinyl or paper. Just a normal cut for your machine. With these simple steps, you'll be engraving in no time. Step 1. Switch the blade. First, we'll switch out the normal cutting blade for an etching tool. This tool goes in the right side. In the B slot, insert completely, clip it in tight, and you're ready to go. You can find this tool on Amazon. Just make sure it's compatible with the Air 2. I found this model fit my machine perfectly. Double-check the description to get the right cutting tool for your machine. These blades are made for specific models, and the price was affordable. Step 2. Choose your material. Next, you're probably wondering what to etch on. On Amazon, you'll find etching blanks in every size and shape imaginable, from dog tags to award nameplates, so the possibilities are endless. Today, we'll be etching on these black aluminum plates. Step 3. Select your design. You can use any SVG cutting file from your library. I recommend using designs with minimal detail for cleaner results. If you need new files, check out Etsy. There are tons of sellers offering SVG file packs for every project. From logos to animals, they have it all. Step 4. Set up in Cricut Design Space. Now let's get to cutting. Open Cricut Design Space. Browse and upload your image. For this tutorial, we'll use a cute pug with sunglasses. Use the Contours tool to remove any unwanted parts. Check out our video on converting images to cutting files. Then resize the design to fit your blank. Step 5. Prepare the blank. Place your blank on the cutting mat, aligning it as shown in the cutting screen. The next screen will be loading the mat. Now increase the pressure setting from vinyl to bonded fabric for better etching results. This will add pressure to the cutting blade for a deeper cut. Next, we will insert our cutting mat into the guides on the machine. Step 6. Start etching. Insert the mat into the machine and press load. Once ready, press the Cricut button to start etching. Keep an eye on the machine in case it jams. If there is a problem, we can stop the machine. Etching takes about the same time as cutting vinyl, just a few minutes. When the machine is finished cutting your design, it will go back to its starting point. From here, if your cut is too shallow, you can run the cut again. Step 7. Finish and clean up. When the machine stops, eject the mat and admire your work. Be careful, the etch design will have sharp dust on its surface. Use an Adhesive Lint Remover to clean it off. Do not touch the etched surface with bare hands until the particulates are removed. These particulates can be very sharp. If you do not have a roller, tape will remove this particulate dust. Once clean, it can be handled safely, and then you can pull your design from the mat. Professional tip: create an alignment card from cardboard to help position your blanks on the cutting mat. This makes loading easier and ensures precise results. With Cricut cutters, the possibilities are truly endless. From dog tags to award nameplates, there are millions of ways to use etching. Turn your Cricut Explore Air 2 into an etching machine with just the right tools. It's as easy as cutting vinyl. All you need are the right tools, a little explanation, and your imagination. Just one more use for these versatile machines. Thanks for watching. Let me know what etching projects you're working on in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Cricut tutorials and DIY projects.